everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to use filters on TikTok live. So let's get into the video. So open up TikTok and then log into your TikTok account. So once I've logged into your TikTok account, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to your, if you want to go live, so you're going to go to your plus option here. So there is a plus option there, so simply click on the plus option and then here choose the live option. So just make sure that you're eligible for a live option. So go to the live option. So once you have chosen the live option here, so if you want to use the filters, you'll see an option called FX there. Click on the FX and this will open up the filter page for you. So here all you have to do is simply select any filters that you wish to use. So select any of these, and then once you click on it, then it will be automatically applied to your camera here, and then all you have to do is simply hit on go live, and that's it. You'll start the live, and that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.